Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM News TV. It's Monday, October the 7th, 2013. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases to find the best ones that stand out to me, and on today's show I'll discuss why those companies stood out, and the ultimate goal is to help you find good companies to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry Laboucan. I'm the chief market commentator for AGORACOM.com, and I've got a bunch of companies to talk about, so let's get right into it. The first company today I wanted to talk about is NovaCopper. NovaCopper has a great project down in Nevada called the Pumpkin Hollow project, and down there they've got sort of two projects. One is a high-grade underground project that they're working towards bringing into production, and then they've got another deposit that is a lower grade but close to surface open pit target, and they just announced the feasibility study results from that second target, which they're calling their Stage 2 project. So Stage 1 is to bring the underground project into production. Stage 2 is to look at the feasibility of bringing the second open pit target into production. So they've got a very good project down there. It's in Nevada. It's in a great jurisdiction to be building a mine. They've got what will turn out to be, for the first 5 years, 285 million pounds of copper production, and so with significant 45,000 ounces of gold, 1.1 million ounces of silver, really big operating cash flow. Great project. NCU is their symbol. They trade on Toronto. The next company I wanted to talk about is North Arrow Minerals. North Arrow Minerals has several diamond projects in Canada. One of those is in a joint venture with Dominion Diamond Corp up there in the Lac de Gras area of the Northwest Territories. This is one of the best places in the world to be looking for diamonds, and Dominion Diamonds owns one of the mines up there, and they've done a lot of interesting work on their project this summer that will, I think, generate some drill targets for early in 2014. So that's another good one to take a look at. NRA is their stock symbol. The next one is Chibougamau Independent Mines, and their partner Globex Mining Enterprises have released assay results from a new group of drill holes. One of their holes had a core length of that hit 1.58% copper and 11.1 grams per ton silver over 36.5 meters. Very good intersection there. Another one had a core length of 43.5 meters, grading 2.93% copper, 39 grams per ton silver, and 0.68 grams per ton gold, with a projected true width of 10.66 meters. Very good and interesting project. They have their stock symbol is CBG. On the venture is Chibougamau Independent Mines symbol, and GMX is Globex Mining Enterprises symbol. And they trade, and Globex trades on Toronto. On Friday, there was some news out of that I picked up off of Reuters regarding Bear Creek Mining Corporation, and they were talking about that things were advancing on their Santa Ana project. They've had some problems down there with some local people that didn't want the project, some protesters, and then there is a lot of local support for it as well. The mines minister made a report or a comment, and I quote, "We hope that the Santa Ana issue, which is in the judiciary, can be resolved as soon as possible so the silver deposits can be exploited. The government is very willing to facilitate untangling the project," end quote. So it looks like they're getting some government movement there on their Santa Ana project. They've got a great project up in Corani as well that's been recently making a lot of noise. Their Corani project in Peru as well. Stock symbol on that one is BCM, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is NovaCopper. NovaCopper has a project up in Alaska in the Ambler Mining District. They call their Bornite project. They had some good results just out this morning. They had for example, 31 meter interval, which graded 1.59% copper. Had a bunch of other intersections there. Really interesting stuff. It's in Alaska. It's copper, good thick intersections, and very nice grades of copper on that as well. I'm going to be doing some more homework on this company. The stock symbol is NCQ, and that trades on the Toronto Exchange. The next press release out was Alto. Alto had production numbers out. They hit a record production of 59,153 ounces of gold in Q3 2013. And I think they had 9 months production, about 143 ounces of gold. So really good numbers there. This mine is down in Peru. Not only did I like the news, but I had a chance to look at their chart, their stock chart, and it looks like that stock chart is bottoming. I think there's a good chance that I'll be talking about this company at the end of the week in our best of the best in weekly news, where we pick companies that have a great combination of news and a stock chart that looks like it's going to go up. The stock symbol on that one is RIO, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Coastal Gold. They released further results from their drilling on their Hope Brook Gold Project in southwest Newfoundland. Hitting some really nice numbers there, 1.64 grams per ton gold over 18 meters. Included in that was 2.61 grams per ton gold over 10.4 meters. Had another hole with 1.67 grams per ton gold over 25.7 meters. Interesting grades in this project in Newfoundland. It's not one that sort of sticks out to me as one I can really get super behind just yet, but the grades and the thicknesses there are definitely interesting. Something I'm have to keep an eye on. COD on the Venture Exchange is their stock symbol. And we've got just a few more here. I'm going to run through them quickly. Fission Uranium and their partner Alpha Minerals announced that they're increasing their current drilling program, or it's still continuing of their summer program, but they're going to be doing an additional 37,000 meters. It's an 11-hole program for $2.25 million. They've got a new target there that they want to test. Very interesting project. Our viewers know I've talked a lot about this play that they're involved with. Do your homework on those two companies. FCU on the Venture Exchange is Fission Uranium's email or symbol, and AMW on the Venture Exchange is Alpha Minerals. The next one is Goldreach. Goldreach had another a set of assay results out, really thick intersections, 274 meters of 0.48% copper equivalent from their Ox deposit in northern British Columbia near Smithers. It's also near the Huckleberry mine. So it's in a great area where there's mines in known area, really thick intersections, interesting grades. GRV on the Venture Exchanges, that's company symbol. And the final company today is Pangolin Diamond Corp. They had some that they've commenced drilling on their the Zhuanang South project in Botswana. It's a 100% old project of Pangolin Diamond Corp. They've got some very promising indications there that they've got a good potential to find kimberlite. This is in one of the most prolific areas in the world for diamond production in Botswana. I'm very excited about this project. The stock symbol is PAN on the Venture Exchange. This is also another one that I like the way the news and the stock chart is lining up, and we'll be talking about them on Friday's Best of the Best and Weekly News show. That's all the news for today. As always, do your homework before making any investment decisions and speak with your financial advisors. Join us for our daily show. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.